Hello viewers, today I'm making meatballs. In here I've got about 250 grams of ground beef, some red pepper, green pepper, garlic and onion. Here I've got self-raising flour and some breadcrumbs, my seasonings and spices. Let's get started. So in a bowl, I'm going to put my ground beef. I'll add my salt, and my pepper to taste. I'm adding barbecue spice. Now I'll put in steak and chops spice. With spices, as I always say, you can play around, you add what you like to best suit your taste buds. Now I'm adding in the onion and the garlic and my peppers. I think I need some more salt. So we mix everything together. Now we add some breadcrumbs, just about a handful. Adding some more breadcrumbs and a bit more flour. So make sure to not overmix your ground beef so that your meatballs will come out tender and soft. If you overmix, they'll become tough. At this stage, we make the balls. So first and foremost, I'll divide my mince into portions. I think I'll get 6 meatballs from this mixture. So now I'm going to dip my hand in a bowl of water, just a bit. Then we start making our balls. So this is how my meatball came out. Do this, repeat the procedure. Same process with all your meatballs. Like carefully knead it and then you make it round. Now, on the stove top, I've got hot oil. Let's fry our meatballs. Now in hot oil, to place my meatballs. We are deep frying them. So we fry our meatballs for about 8 to 10 minutes. Our meatballs are cooked up. Let's remove them from the oil. Right, now I'm going to garnish my meatballs with some green robot peppers. I'm using toothpicks here. Now here we have our meatballs. You can add sauce if you like, dipping sauce or barbecue sauce, but you can also have them like this. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Cheers.